Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Get ready to expand your vocabulary with a whimsical twist. Today, we're diving into the idiom cost an arm and a leg, meaning something is very expensive, and the playful phrase pull someone's leg, which means to joke or tease someone. We'll break them down with examples that make learning a blast. Let's start with the idiom cost an arm and a leg. Imagine wanting a super cool toy that costs a lot of money. You might say, that new video game costs an arm and a leg. It emphasizes how expensive something can be, right? Now let's move on to our fun phrase pull someone's leg. This means to joke or tease someone in a light-hearted way. For example, if you tell your friend that you saw a unicorn in the backyard, you could be pulling their leg. Fantastic job today! You've learned the idiom cost an arm and a leg and the phrase pull someone's leg. Keep using these in your conversations to sound super smart and fun. Remember, learning can be a blast, so keep it up and share what you've learned with your friends.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.